Hello people, sorry about that. Welcome back to another unscripted video. Yes, my videos are unscripted. Animes. The only animes I really watch is Naruto, Pokemon, and Yokai Watch. And, so I wouldn't really say I'm a weeb or an otaku, but it depends on the anime. Naruto is my favorite anime. Like, I guess you could say it's my most senpai of animes. Yokai Watch and Pokemon are basically the Naruto and Sasuke of, animes. Like, they both have their similarities and differences. Like, they both have creatures that can be captured or obtained. Yokai Watch has, well, the Yokai Watch, and Pokemon has Pokeballs. Another topic, anime body pillows. I don't really get it. It's like, just like, look at these. Like, okay. You don't get it, like, just body pillows of anime characters. Like, what's the rage? What's all the rage about? Okay. It's like, just, I don't get it. Well, this was a quick video, but, alright, see you guys in the next one.